Durable outer coverings help shield and protect against tough conditions, vibration, abrasions, and moisture. Wires are color-coded correctly for easy installation. Programming required. No. Wiring harness length 16.66 inch. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. GM Genuine Parts headlight wiring harnesses are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. These harnesses are organized sets of wires, terminals, and connectors that run throughout your entire vehicle. They relay information and electrical power to your vehicle's headlight switch and headlights. GM Genuine Parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM Genuine Parts may have formerly appeared as AC Delco GM Original Equipment OE. Top reviews from the United States. Tahoe 2011. Holy heck. To replace this harness had to practically take the whole front end off in order to get the headlight out. Once out I thought I had the wrong harness because the connectors didn't look quite the same. However, the fit and it looked like a better connection. I may just have to get a second one and brave this process all over again for the other side. Thinking I just may replace all the bulbs while I am at it.